Hi, welcome to Martin Hacks. Today we're going to talk about how to structure innovation. And I think this is a question that lots of people have. Either they are in a startup or they are in a big corporation. The first thing that I want to say is that this is a series of videos where I'm going to explain you little by little what is the process. Today I'm going to introduce you more about the first step. And the first step is mindset. How do we change our mindset to actually enable innovation? And the first thing that I want to talk about is how is the business as usual. Humans, many of us, we try to think on our daily tasks, our daily routines and what we need to do. And we are very stressed with those things. We operate normally on what? What do we need to do? Okay? And we have our to-do list and we try to go through it and the day just becomes a mess. The reason why the day becomes a mess is because we seldom reflect on how to do things better. We just jump into things, we don't reflect, we don't plan, especially we don't plan how to do things, and we don't learn from other people who have done things better than us. After failing many times, we will take a look at best practice, how to do, and so forth. Even when we do the things better, we need to still reflect sometimes why I'm not obtaining the results that I want, why I'm not happy, why the business is not growing. And perhaps we are not answering the why in the correct way. So we can do a lot of things every day, we can do them right, but we are doing the wrong things. And why in the first place we are doing the wrong things? I think there is a level even farther that we very, very seldom take a look at. And in our life, sometimes that means that a very bad thing happened. For instance, your parents die or you lose your job, but there's a financial crisis, that it makes us reflect about who we really are. Why I'm doing this in the first place. So it's not only about us, but it's also about our customer. Who is my customer and why I'm doing this for them? So the who is also really important here. Normally, we operate in this way, and this creates a lot of problems. I think there is a better way to think and to have a different mindset where we start with who we are, why we do what we do, we master on how to do it first, and then we finally do what we need to do. So the entire how to structure innovation videos, the S-curve, all the frameworks that I explained, they are really anchored in this concept. And I will make more videos about that, so please subscribe to the channel because this has a lot of implications for your personal life and I will explore them at due time. So please subscribe and stay tuned for the next how to structure innovation, because we're going to bring this framework into actual set of routines of how we work together, how design thinking, lean startup, growth hacking, strategy, lean, they all work together. Okay, so this will tackle to that will tackle with people portfolios, culture, innovation transformation, digital transformation, disruptive technologies. So this is the first anchor for all of that. Please stay tuned because we are going to talk about very cool things. Thank you very much and see you very soon.